I am Jemima and I'll be taking you on how to use the Canva app. I'm sure you would have been familiar with, you just hear everybody saying Canva, Canva, Canva. Use it for your design, use it for your social media ads. Don't worry, I'm going to teach you how to go about it. So now let's get started. All you need to do is to go to your home, screen, then your Play Store, your Google Play Store. From there, you search for the Canva app. But because I already have the app on my phone, installed on my phone, all you just need to do is to install it. I hope you can see it. I have it already installed on my phone. Now let's go and open it. So, yes, we're back. And now you're wondering, how do I navigate this interface? Where do I start from? How do I begin? See, don't worry, I'm here to make it very simple for you. So for instance, let's start with a logo design. You have a business, that's one of the major things you need for you to first of all have an online presence. One of the major things you need to do is to create a very good and simple logo for your business. So let's get started. What do? You come to this social media place, and are you creating content for Instagram? Is it for Facebook? Is it for TikTok? You have everything. See, as you are clicking it, it's coming with different templates, different designs. For Instagram, it's usually a perfect square for the social media designs. Then if you want Reels, if you want Instagram stories, if you want Instagram ads, the dimensions are there. You don't need to stress yourself. Now, if it's Facebook, you come to Facebook, the dimension for Facebook is there, and then you do your designs, Facebook stories, Facebook videos, ads, and what have you. So for instance, I want to design a logo, right? I'll come to this down with my menu icons, and then I click logo. Let's say if it's for a food business, I'll say food logo. You will see a lot of designs that will pop up. Yes. Wow, can you see beautiful logo designs? You're like, wow, how do I navigate this? And please, one thing I want you to know is when you're using Canva app, please don't use the exact template that you see on Canva. What did I say? Don't use the exact template of any design. Ensure that you change the design, you change the icons. I'm going to be telling you what icons are. Change the colors, change the font, that's the text. At least let it be a little bit different. You have to be creative to use this design. Some people, no matter what, even after still teaching you, you will not still know it because it's not your calling. Some people are very good with it. Some people are very creative. Why some people, they are not. So that's why they always outsource their designs. No matter what, you will see somebody that will say, don't worry, I'll do it on Canva. They will try to do it on Canva but along the line they get stuck, and then they come back and say, Jemima, please, can you help us to do our design? And I'm like, okay, then you have to pay me afresh. And don't worry, I've started something on Canva. I'm sorry, I can't continue. I can't leverage on what you've done. So it would be nice if you are creative about it. So I'm just trying to scroll down to see which logo I want to use. And usually your logos are meant to be simple, straight to the point. You don't need to do anything complex. I just prefer something really nice. I think I will go with this particular one here, although it's related to music, but I'm going to change it to my own style and pattern. Oh yeah, now it's like a music company, right? Well, I'm not doing music, but I want to do a logo design for a food business, right? So what do? I'm using my app. So you use your hand to pinch the screen, then it takes you there. Then I want to duplicate this because I don't want it. When you click on it, then you come down here and duplicate. If you want to add a page, you click on the first icon, and then, so I want to use page 1. Don't forget that this is the original design, right? This is where we are coming from. Now, this is what I want to work on, right? So I'll first of all replace this. I don't need this particular icon. I'll replace it. Go and come to elements where you have the elements icon. I come to that, and then I click on food icons. Just watch what will happen. My network, it's a bit unstable. Oh yeah, so we have, then you select, can you see under all these are the things that will come up, but I'm not looking for, I'm looking for graphics as icons. Can you see? Wow, see different styles. Now these ones are pictures related to food, but that's not what I want. I just need a simple icon. So let's see which one. Let me see. Let's just keep scrolling. I think I will use I just need something simple and classy. I think we can just go with this. Oh yes, we can go with this. Now I'll reduce it. You know, you click on the edge of that icon and reduce. Can you see? You click on it and reduce it, increase it. Just you drag it as you're increasing it. Oh yes. Now I want to change that color. Okay, let me first of all change the color of the circle. Of course, I don't want to use the exact yellow. I want to use maybe gradient. Can you see? Or I want to use this, no, for food. Usually for food logos you use a touch of orange, red, you know. Yeah, orange, yellow, red, and all of that. Okay, so let's use this. And then I want to change the color of this icon. Okay, let's see. I think I like this actually. Yes. So what I can do is I can just to make it look a little bit classy. Let's see. Okay. Would I want to crop a part of it? Let's see. Okay, let's go. It's not giving me that vibe yet. Let's see. And then we take it down. Wow. I think I just like this. And then I can just decide to add like a smaller, you know, a small. Did you see what I did to duplicate that? I clicked on that. You can see these three icons. When you click on the icon or a particular image, you will see this. This means duplicate that particular icon, copy and paste, or delete it, or you come here and then all of these options comes up. But what do I want? What did I just do? I clicked on it, I duplicated, so it moved. Can you see? But now I want to change that color to, let's say, white. I just need something nice. Okay, and then you centralize it. Always make sure that you align. Wow, I think I like this. Oh, okay. Now I think I can just change the name to Pinon Foods. Maybe when I decide to have a food company later. What do I use now? Pinon Foods. Do I need to write anything here? Food company. Okay, let me change it to food company. Yeah. Okay, I think we are getting there. Now I can decide to change this font. When you click on that on the text icons, all of this comes up, and then I change. Okay, I think I'm okay with that size actually. So let's change the font. Let's see. Let's see if this will work. Let me see. I think no. Okay, so let's just go with let's do this. Nah, I don't like that. I think I should use the first. Let me see. No, does this one have bold? No, I don't like that. Let's change it for the last time. I think I'll use that very first one I used. Okay, let me change it to something. Handwriting. Okay. No, because it's they are all in caps. No, I don't like that. Okay, so let me just, because they are all in caps, let me go back. When you want to undo, you press this, this back until you get to the original where you are coming from, right? Okay, yes, let's use this. And then I want to change it to bold. You scroll. This is where you change the color. This is where you change it to from bold. Oh, it's already in bold actually. So maybe what I can do is to increase the font size. Okay. Let's see. Pinon Food Company. So I can also change from this format place. I can change it from caps to small letters, and then I change the font to something style. Now we can see that. Oh no. Okay, let me see. We're almost done. Okay, so I know what happened. Because of the way it is, they are all separated. Now let's work on the space in between the letters. The space in between the letters. I think they call it is it line spacing? Kenny, Paddy, I'm not sure. I will research about it and write it in the comment section. Okay, yeah, so let's change the spacing. So the spacing in between the letters are actually too much. Let's go back to original. That is 0. Yes, I think we are good to go. Okay, now I think I will need to increase this. Please just know that I'm just practicing. I just want you to get familiar with it though. This is not a standard, but something in this line. Or I can just say I can just decide to use, I'm not sure I like this. Okay, let me put it here. And then change the color to that orange color. Is that orange? Okay, yes. Food Company. So the major thing I want them to see is Pinon and then my icon. I think we're good to go. Okay, so let's just assume this is my logo. Or I can decide to say, let's align everything to the left. Right? Okay, let's do this. Or let me change this font for the last time. I'm not sure I like that. Okay. Okay, anyways, in order not to waste our time, let me duplicate this particular one I used earlier, and then I'll change it from bold to just regular text, and then I write company. Simple. Reduce the size. I said I'll change it. I'll come down here and then change it from bold. Okay, and then change it from capital letter, right? And then I'll reduce it a bit. Okay, so I can change the first to small letter. Okay, and then I can decide to change the color again to this orange color. Yes. Okay, and then ensure that it's well aligned. To be sure that your work is centralized, you click on those 3 dots. That's like more menu, and then you come to select multiple. I'm teaching a lot of acts here. So select multiple. I want to select the 2, and then I'll come here and click on, scroll down. You see position. Where you see position, align center. Can you see? So now I'm sure that they're all on the same page. I can try to change this back to small letters. Okay, then reduce it. Okay, can you see? When you try to move it, to bring it down there. Okay, so I want to increase that space again in between the letters. I think, yeah. And then reduce this one. I want to reduce this one. Okay. Oh yes, I think I love this. Yeah, so Pinon Food, right? Pinon Food. And now, where are we coming from? Can you see the previous one? And can you see what I came up with? So that's just how simple you can create your logo. In less than 30 minutes, you are done. So if you like to see more of my content, don't forget to follow me, like, or share. And please drop your comments. I would like to see your reviews, and I like to also see your own work. Please don't forget to practice. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and watch out for the next episode of this tutorial. All right, bye for now.